Today we're making a dessert inspired by Squid Game. Crack 2 eggs into a mixing bowl. It's better if the eggs are at room temperature. They whip up much better. Just leave them out for a bit before you start. Add sugar to the eggs. You can use regular white sugar or brown sugar. Brown adds a bit of caramel flavor. Start mixing. First on low speed, then switch to medium. Beat the mixture until it becomes light and fluffy. Sift the flour and cocoa powder into a separate bowl. This helps remove lumps and adds air to the mix. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the egg mixture. Use a spatula and fold from the bottom up. Try not to stir too hard or you'll lose the airiness. Prepare your baking pan. A round pan about 18 to 20 centimeters, 7 to 8 inches in diameter works best. Grease the pan with vegetable oil. You can also line the bottom with baking paper. It'll make things easier later. Pour the batter into the pan. Place it into a preheated oven at 170 to 175 degrees Celsius, 340 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 30 minutes. Important, don't open the oven during the first 25 minutes. Your sponge cake will sink like it's lost the game. Check doneness with a wooden skewer. It should come out clean. Let the cake cool completely. Then crumble it into fine crumbs in a bowl. Tip: if you've got leftover sponge from another day, this is a great way to bring it back to life. Add cooked sweetened condensed milk. You can buy it ready-made or cook it yourself. Just boil a can, unopened, in water for 2 to 2.5 hours. Keep an eye on the water level. Mix everything into a smooth, dough-like texture. If it feels dry, add a spoonful more of condensed milk. If it's too sticky, add some more crumbs.
Now, roll the mixture into balls. Make them about the size of a walnut, easy to eat in one bite. And remember, this may not be Squid Game, but the shape of your ball still decides its fate. Let's make the glaze. Break white chocolate into pieces and put it in a heat-safe glass or bowl. Place it over a saucepan of hot water, a double boiler, and stir gently until melted. Add a few drops of food coloring. Stir until the color is even.
While they chill, we've got a quick moment. Leave a comment. What dessert reminds you of your childhood? And if you're enjoying the recipe, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Take out the chilled balls, stick each one on a skewer, and dip them in the glaze. Stand them upright, like in a foam block or stand, so the glaze sets smoothly and evenly. Once the glaze is firm, decorate. You can draw the classic shapes: circle, square, triangle. The decorations will remind you of the famous shapes: circle, square, triangle, just like in the show. So if you've been looking for a Squid Game themed treat, you're in the right place. Thanks for watching. If you like the recipe, subscribe to the channel. There are many more easy and tasty desserts coming your way. See you in the next video.